Tips and ideas on how to make a unique and beautiful bromeliad garden. Creating a unique and beautiful bromeliad garden. Hello plant lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of bromeliads. Exotic plants, known for their vibrant leaves, striking flowers, and easy maintenance. I'll share simple tips and creative ideas to help you design a unique and beautiful bromeliad garden at home. Choosing the right varieties. The beauty of bromeliads lies in their variety. From the bold Echmea with its pink bracts, to the patterned Neoregelia and the upright Guzmania. Each one adds a different texture and splash of color. Mix different types in your garden to create a stunning visual contrast. Remember, bromeliads don't just bloom beautifully. Their foliage is often just as striking. Designing your bromeliad garden. To make your bromeliad garden unique, think about placement and layering. Use raised beds, terracotta pots, or wooden planters to display them at different heights. Combine them with rocks, driftwood, or moss for a tropical rainforest feel. Since bromeliads thrive in partial shade, place them under trees in shaded patios, or even indoors near a bright window. This way, their colors remain rich and vibrant. Care and creative touches. Caring for bromeliads is simple. Water them by filling their central cup, known as the tank, and keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy. They also love humidity, so misting them occasionally is a great idea. For an artistic touch, try grouping bromeliads with orchids, ferns, or air plants to create a mini tropical garden. You can also arrange them in colorful clay pots or hanging baskets to make your design stand out. A bromeliad garden is all about creativity, color, and bringing a slice of the tropics into your home. With the right mix of varieties, smart placement, and a little care, you'll have a one-of-a-kind garden that looks stunning all year round. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own bromeliad garden ideas in the comments. See you in the next video.